Okay, for 102, they want to change percent increase or decrease into a multiplier. The thing to remember here, right, the thing to remember is that if something costs 3% more, so let's just talk about this for a second. So if we had $100, right, if something cost $100, and now we say it costs 3% more, that would be a 3% increase. That means we're going to take the $100 and we're going to add to it, $100 times 0.03, right? That would be what it is. But if you look at this, this is the whole amount, 1, and this is 0.03 times 1. So this is really $100, right, times 1.03, right, because this is $100 times this imaginary 1, right, and kind of reverse of the distributive property, we could factor out the 100 and we'd get 1.03 there. So that's what we have to remember when we do all these problems. So now let's do A. So A was 1.03. We just did that. B is a decrease now, right? It's a decrease. So if it's 25% less, so let's say you started with 100 and you took away 25, you're left with 0.75, right? And C is a decrease also. So again, if you took the 100 and you took away 13, you'd get a 0.87, right? And D is a 2.08% increase, 2.08% increase. So that would be 1.0208.